Hello class, my name is Wilfredo Molina and I'll be working part 2, questions 2, 3, and 4. The first question 2, the question is asking us what the data set is. The data set is a sample because it's a sub-collection of all the individuals. In question 3, it wants us to make 3 different types of graphs using our technology. One has to be whisker plot, so our whisker plot is here. Our next graph that we made was a bar graph. Then we made a stem and leaf plot using StatCrunch. For question 4, we have to evaluate the variance, the mean, standard deviation. We use StatCrunch again for this. We have our table here with the mean, variance, standard deviation. The way we get the mean is you add up all the terms and then divide by the number of the terms. So our answer was 22. For our variance, we got the square difference of all the numbers and divided it by n minus 1, which is n is 22, which is the number of terms, and we ended up getting 133.0833. And to get the standard deviation, you actually square root that, and we got 11.5362.